Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, how are y'all doing? I hope you're good. So today in this lesson we're gonna talk about how to ask someone how are you or how is she, right? And how is your father, how is your mother, how is your sister, how is your brother, how is your friend, right? Mother, father, sister, brother, right? Don't say mother, right? So let's get started. So today we're gonna talk about how to ask someone how are you today or how is she today, right? So inshallah maanta casharka waxaan ku dhigan doonaa sida qofka xaaladiisa hooyadii oo kale aabii oo kale walaashii oo kale saaxiibkii oo kale walaalkii oo kale saad u weydiin lahayd in English, right? So qofka hadduu ku yidhaahdo how is your mom, how is your mother, how is your mother, how is kan wadan soma marka aad ku dhawaaqi doonaysid ka waxaad ku dhawaaqaysaa how martiri how is wakas how is your mother, how is your mother, how is your father, how is your mother, how is your mother, how is your father, how is right? So meesha banaanu baad gelinaysaa qofkii aad weydiin doonaysay su'aal ahaan how is your mother hooyada say tahay, how is your father aabba siduu yahay, how is your sister walaasha say tahay, how is your brother walaalka siduu yahay, how is your friend saasa ku weydiinaysaa in English, right? So qofku markuu ku jawaabayo she's fine, she's fine, she's great, she's great, she's so-so, she's so-so, she's not good, she's not good. American kan waa inaad ku dhawaaqdaa not, she's not good, right? Don't say she's not good, right? She's not good, she's not good, really, she's not good. waad oran kartaa idiom kan casharkan buu la socdaa oo saahan qofku markuu saahan oo xanuunsay oo kale imka she's not good ma fiicna weyn iyadu xaaladda, right? Okay, idiom kan isagu la socdaa casharkan buu la socdaa. Okay, idiom was sarbeeb. Under the weather means sick. qofku markuu xanuunsado I am under the weather. If you say how are you today, oh brother, I'm under the weather today, I feel sick, right? Marka I'm under the weather means I am sick. qofka ahaan marka ku tiraade how is your mother, she is under the weather, she is under the weather. How is your father, he is under the weather. How is your brother, he is under the weather, right? Marka kan she is marka la soo gaabino she's humbaleda kana he is humbaleda kana am baled, right? Kana she's for example she's fine, she's great, she's so-so, she's not good, she's under the weather, right? qofka tusahan weydii how's your mom and dad, how's your mom and dad. My father is good but my mother is so-so, right? My father is good, my father is great, but my mother, she's under the weather. My mother is under the weather, right? You can say it. Marka weydii qofka how is your father, kadib jawaab he's fine. meesha waa soma meesha she ay ku qoran tahay haddaad he ka dhigto marka wuxuu noqonayaa isagu ku hadlay. For example, how is your father, he's fine, he's great, he's so-so, he's not good, he's under the weather, right? saasa ugu jawaabaysaa. For example, qofku weydii how is your brother, how is your brother, he's fine, he's under the weather, he's so-so, he's not good. Okay, he's fine uu fiican yahay, he's great waa cajiib weyn aad buu fiican yahay, he's so-so marka waa normal. So-so waxay ka dhigan tahay adigu waa iska dhexdhexaad. He's not good ma fiicna, he's not good. waad oran kartaa he's under the weather. Under the weather means when someone is sick you can say in idiom he's under the weather, under the weather, under the weather. weydii qofka how is your father, how is your brother, how is your sister, how is your mother, father, friend or brother, and then san ugu jawaab he is fine, he's great, he's so-so, he's not good. Marka he is under the weather, right? So I hope you can understand this is a beautiful lesson with idioms. So until next time, stay awesome, stay educated, continue to learn, spreading the love in the world. So peace out.